Good morning, dear students. Now, first question. Electronic configurations of two elements are: first is 2, 8, 7, and second electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 2. Right? Respectively, write the atomic numbers. What is the atomic number of X element and atomic number of Y element? Here, how many electrons are present? Total number of electrons 2 plus 8 plus 7 is equal to 17 electrons are present. It means atomic number of X element is 17. Total number of electrons, sum of electrons in Y elements 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2. Total how many electrons are present? 20. Its atomic number is 20. Like this. Correct notation. Okay, children? Now, second short answer question. Why electric wires are made up of copper metal? Cu means copper, right? Copper is good conductor of electricity, right? And that's why electric wires are made up of copper. This is good conductor. One word answer only. Good conductor of electricity. Assertion and reason. Okay. Assertion. Sodium metal is stored under kerosene. Is okay. Sodium is highly reactive metal which is always stored under water. Always stored under kerosene. Sodium is highly reactive, right? Fast reaction occurs with oxygen and with water. But this is inert medium. Kerosene is organic compound, organic liquid, which is inert medium, right? Reactive metal, which is sodium. Sodium metal is stored under kerosene, correct? Sodium is alkali metal. This is the position, this is the nature of sodium. Sodium is alkali metal, right? A assertion is true. Reason is also true. But the reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Sodium metal is stored under kerosene because sodium is highly reactive metal. Right? All elements which are placed in first group are known as alkali metals. Sodium is also alkali metals, but correct explanation for this assertion is not given here. Right? Then correct answer A and R both are true, but R, it means reason is not the correct explanation for the given assertion. Okay, children? Trends is long answer question. Total 5 parts are given here: A, B, C, D and E. Trends in the properties of the elements. Comparison of different properties either from left to right or across the period in the modern periodic table or along the group from top to bottom in the modern periodic table. Right? This is called trend. Change in properties from one to another position or direction. First is metallic character. What is the trend of metallic character across the period and along the group? Metallic character across the period decreases. Right? For example, first group elements and second group elements. Alkali and alkaline earth metals are metallic in nature. 17 group elements. Which elements are placed in 17 group? Halogens, which are non-metals. Right? Most electronegative elements are placed in first and second. Right? And most electronegative elements in which group? 17 group. And what is the direction of movement? From left to the right position, right direction or across the period. Metallic character decreases. Same nature from top to bottom increases, right? Increase in property increase in metallic character from top to bottom. This is showing what is the direction of movement from top to bottom, and this arrow is showing from left to right. Variation of valency, combining capacity. Variation of valency from 1 to 4. Valency increases and after 4 valency decreases. 1 to 4 means lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, Bc, N, O, F. Trend of valency. Valency from 1 to 4. Combining capacity of first group elements like lithium is 1. What is the combining tendency or capacity of lithium? 1. Beryllium 2. Boron this one. Elements of 13th group combining capacity or valency is 3. Right? Then carbon family 14th group 4. And after 14th group from 15th group, nitrogen is first element in the 15th group. Its combining tendency or its valency or combining capacity is 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. After this, what is the valency of nitrogen family? 3. Oxygen 2. 8 for octet, 8 minus 6 valence electrons is equal to 2. For halogens, 8 minus valence electrons, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. And for next element is a neon. Neon is inert, its valence is 0. Right, 1 and then 0. Then what is the trend? Valency from 1 to 4 increases and then decreases. 3, 2, 1 and finally for last element is a 0. Okay children? This is the irregular trend, not regular. Regular means gradual increase or gradual decrease. Here valency first increases and then decreases. Next one, nature of oxides. Which oxides are basic in nature? Which oxides are amphoteric? And which oxides are acidic? Oxides of metals are basic in nature. Right? Then what is the trend for nature of oxides from basic to amphoteric and last one acidic? Oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature, right? And oxides of metals like sodium oxide. Sodium oxide is basic, Na2O. When sodium oxide reacts with water, it forms alkaline solution, NaOH. NaOH is basic in nature, it means oxide is basic, right? Then change in nature of oxides from basic to acidic. First basic, then amphoteric. Amphoteric, which one? Al2O3. Aluminium oxide is amphoteric. It shows 12 properties: basic property and acidic property. So aluminium oxide reacts with acidic solution as well as with basic solution. Reaction with HCl and reaction with sodium hydroxide. This is amphoteric in nature. And then oxide of carbon, nitrogen like CO2 is acidic oxide. Nitrogen family NO2 is acidic oxide. Oxygen family SO2 is acidic oxide. Then what is the change? What is the trend of oxides? Nature of oxides from basic to acidic. I am writing one example of acidic oxide like CO2. Okay, children? Electronegative nature or electronegative character. Electronegative character increases. Why? Because non-metallic character increases. Okay children? Nitrogen shows electronegativity, oxygen shows electronegativity, and halogens like fluorine, which is first element, shows electronegativity. This character increases. Atomic radius. Children, atomic radius decreases. Atomic radius decreases right? Because valence electrons, number of valence electrons increases. For example, same period, lithium, beryllium, B, C, N, O, F. Right, here shows exceptional behavior. Then what is the trend? Decrease. Gradual decrease. Size. From lithium to fluorine. All elements are placed in same period. Which period? Second period. Right? And what is the trend of atomic radius? Distance from center to valence shell. This is atomic radius. What is the trend? Decreases. Okay. 1 mark for each part. 1 mark for each part. This is 5 marks question. 1 mark for each part. For correct answer, correct explanation. Okay, children? Children, next question is identify the acid and base from which sodium chloride is obtained. Which type of salt is it? And give reaction equation for its preparation. First step, this question of 3 marks, right? And this one is also 3 marks, right? Question number 6. Now children, first part of this question, identify the acid and base from which sodium chloride is obtained. Source of sodium metal is sodium chloride is NaOH and Cl is hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide is base and hydrochloric acid is acid, right? The final product of neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? When base reacts with acid or acid reacts with base is called neutralization reaction. And one product of neutralization reaction is salt. Second is water. Water is side product, byproduct. Now, reaction between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Formation of sodium chloride, right? This is Cl, sodium chloride. And byproduct is OH and H. Water. Give reaction equation. This is the reaction equation. Base is sodium hydroxide, acid is hydrochloric acid. Which type of salt is it? What is the type of the salt? Acidic salt, basic salt or neutral salt? Children, NaCl is a product of strong base and strong acid, right? And salt of strong acid and strong base is always neutral in nature. This is neutral salt, right? Next question. A white powder is added while baking cakes, right? First part. Main ingredients of baking white powder. Here the white powder is given, baking powder is not given, right? What are the ingredients of white powder which is used in bakery or which is added while baking cakes? Main ingredient. What are main components? What are main components of white powder? First component is sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, right? Second is tartaric acid and tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is mild acid like acetic acid or vinegar, right? Organic acid, right? Carboxylic group is present in tartaric acid, which is organic in nature and very weak acid, not strong like hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. Main ingredients. First is baking soda, second is tartaric acid. Function of each ingredient. Chemical reaction equation when the powder is heated. Okay. Function of each ingredient. What happens when sodium hydrogen carbonate is thermally decomposed? On heating of sodium hydrogen carbonate or baking soda, main product is carbon dioxide gas, right, which makes cake spongy, right. Second is water, and third one is salt, another salt of sodium. Now in balanced state, twice Na2CO3 plus H2O and CO2. This is gaseous product, right? Water vapors and solid sodium carbonate, and thermally decomposed on heating. What happens? Decomposition of baking soda into three different products. Then what is the role of sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate? It makes spongy, right? Cakes, bread or pastry, right? After release of carbon dioxide gas, then what happens? Formation of small pores, right? And presence of small pores makes spongy, right? Bread and cake. Next one, children. Second ingredient is tartaric acid. Now, any salt is, sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is bitter in taste, right? To neutralize its bitterness, what is added? Mild edible acid, which is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid neutralizes bitter taste of the salt, right? And this is the reaction equation on heating of baking soda. Okay, children? Thank you.